Hi, I am Ruchi, and we recently moved to our new nest, which is NVD Symphony of Orchids. Like around 1 year back when we started our interiors, we were looking for an automation system, and we came across a Homezee, and we tell them that what we need. They showed all their products, what do they have, and we really liked them in the first meeting itself. Their honest feedback about the products, and what I liked about them is their technical expertise in the product, explaining what each product is designed for. And definitely what we felt is it is inside our budget what we was looking for, and we started their journey from there. We started the interiors and we started the automation also, that what do we need. Basically we were looking for the smart lock and some automation with respect to the curtains and the sensors. Basically, we can control all the lights together. So this villa is basically on the outskirts, on the Sarjapur area, which is a little, a village kind of area. So our my main concern was the safety, because my husband travels a lot and sometimes I'm all alone in my house. So I was looking for some system which makes me feel comfortable inside the home, like an intrusion system. And the Homezee explained their products that even if somebody touches the door or a window, right, the alarm is triggered, and on the mobile application you can very well see that who is there, and you can take the precaution. Another thing which I really liked about the Homezee is their automation in terms of the curtain. So basically, when you have elderly people at home, they don't want to move them. First of all, it's a light shade curtain. You don't want to touch them often. So they gave us a very nice handy remote where you can basically on and off the curtain. That is one part. Apart from that, these motion sensors. So you often come up with the problem, right? Kids do not want to go in a dark, and they often say that, Mama, you come with me, first switch on the light. But their motion sensors are extremely good. The moment you come out of the room, they are automatically lit up, and they feel us, the kids basically and the elderly people feel it very, very useful. And their lights, basically you can control the brightness of the light, just the ease of through the mobile applications. So it's like 7 months we have moved in to this place, and till now I haven't faced any problem with the products or with the applications, how to use the system. And even if you face some difficulty, the team is just one phone call away. I remember that one day in the night, 12 o'clock, we were facing some problem with the lock, and we were locked out. We just called Sri Krishna at 12:30 in the midnight. He picked up the call and he helped us, and we were able to enter the house. It's definitely, I will recommend to everyone who is looking for automation system for home. I will highly recommend Homezee.